Hello, I'm with Arpit Joshipura from Dell to talk about the network market. Arpit, thanks so much for joining us. Tell us first how you see the network market.
We break down the networking market into sort of four areas. There's the web cloud players, there's the large enterprises, there's the SMB mid-market, and then there are the carriers, right? Telcos, cables, etc. And each of these segments have a different challenge and a different direction of where they want to go. So let's look at this. So the web and the cloud guys, they want to, their main challenge is scale and agility. And then the way they get agility is through the programmability of the switch. So they go deep into the switch and do scale out fabrics, right? Now that's the clouds that we know today. Now the large enterprises want to mimic that, right? And they also have a big IT staff, right? So they are using technologies like SDN, network virtualization, right? Either VMware, Microsoft, OpenStack, Docker, technologies like that to virtualize the entire data center infrastructure and get to that. The mid-market and SMB, the challenge is completely different. They don't have an IT staff. They may not have a network admin. So they look at a single converged system, converged solution from a large IT player like Dell. And then finally, carriers are, people always say they take long, but guess what? They are moving at a very fast speed on NFV, network function virtualization. The entire carrier market, which used to be proprietary black box market, right, with very purpose-built black boxes, now is moving to a generic x86 based server switch market, right, with network function virtualization. So Dell has a big role to play in that. And so all of these four markets eventually will lead to a compute-centric architecture. And that's what we believe is going to be the case, and then we are excited about that.
And what's your view on open versus proprietary networking?
That's fairly easy, right? When Michael created the personal computer, he basically disaggregated hardware from software. And then he did it again with servers, right? Mainframe was a full black box. You buy hardware and software from the same vendors. But then he came with x86 and said, yeah, hardware is one, software is another vendor. And that's how innovation went off. We announced open networking in 2014, so quite some time ago. And today I'm pleased to report that the adoption of open networking has been tremendous. Not only have customers adopted it, but even our competitors have tried to mimic the open networking. Now what is that? That's just a disaggregation of hardware and software. You have a hardware platform where network becomes a platform. You load different operating systems on it. It takes the personality of the software you have loaded, and now all of a sudden you can run applications on a switch. And that is agility, that could be security, that could be tapping, that could be Linux applications. The possibilities are endless.
Arpit, thank you very much.
Thank you.